In this guide, you'll learn how to clear app cache on an iPhone. First, launch your App Store, then click on the profile icon given at the top right. Scroll down and tap on Personalized Recommendations. Here you will see an option to clear your app usage data. While this clears some data associated with your apps, it does not fully remove all the app cache. So let's move on to more effective method. Launch Settings, go to General, then go to iPhone Storage. This section shows you a list of all the apps installed on a device, along with how much storage they are using. To clear cache for any app, find the app in the list, tap on it. For instance, Pinterest, you can simply offload it. Now, click on Reinstall. This process forces an update and clears out all the cache and temporary file associated with that app. Repeat this process for any app that's taking up a significant amount of space, especially those over 1 GB. Once the app is reinstalled, you will see that the cache has been cleared and the app storage size will be reduced. That's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.